Hey guys, welcome to the Craft Pouch. To make your quarantine time interesting and creative, here are few easy and simple craft ideas that you can make in just 5 minutes. So let's jump straight into the video. For the first DIY, you need a canvas of any size that you like, a washi tape and few colors of your choice. Firstly, attach the washi tape in a pattern that you like the most. Make sure to press them to the canvas so that no color bleeds through the washi tape. I'm going with blue, red and yellow acrylic colors. You can take any number of colors that you like. Go ahead and paint all the colors onto the canvas. I have painted 2 coats to make it look bright. After painting, slowly remove the washi tapes. You will see beautiful color pattern on the canvas. You can retouch the white spaces with white acrylic paint and a brush if there are any color bleeds. And your pretty canvas is ready! To make a coaster, you need a few popsicle sticks and a glue gun. Now attach each popsicle stick to one another using glue as shown here. Glue 5 sticks together and make sure they stick firmly by applying enough pressure. Similarly, make another set of 5 sticks attached to one another. Now let's use these 2 sets as legs of the coaster. Arrange 2 sets vertically and place sticks on them horizontally so that the ends touch the sets. Once you are okay with the number of sticks and spaces, go ahead and glue them using glue gun. Here you go, coaster is ready. You can use it this way with wood shade or you can color it. I have decided to color it, so I am using a masking tape to get fine lines between the colors. I am using green, yellow and blue colors and mixing white to them so that I can get light shades of these colors. I am coloring it with green color and in the same way color blue and yellow as shown here. A colorful popsicle stick coaster is ready. Similarly, I have also made another coaster, but this time I have colored it with blue and designed with yellow dots. These are so easy to make and are so useful. For the third DIY, we are going to make a bookmark. For this, you need a ribbon, button, a thin rubber band and a needle with thread. Take a ribbon of 16-inch length. Now stitch button on one side using thread and needle. Flip the ribbon and stitch rubber band on the other side like this. This bookmark is so easy and cute. It literally takes 5 minutes to make. To To make a DIY frame, take a frame of 8 by 10 inches and papers of colors yellow, green, black, orange and white. Cut a circle of 3-inch diameter from the orange paper. On a white paper, arrange all the colored papers like this. Glue all the papers accordingly. I'm using clear glue here. You can use any glue that you have. After everything is glued, cut the colored papers so that they meet the edge of the white paper. Now, trim the extra ends to match the size of the frame. And the last step is to place this white sheet inside the frame. This frame is so simple and gorgeous. I really like the way it turned out. That's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Make sure to click the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever a video is uploaded. See you in next video. Bye bye.